Okay, so now we're going to do another round of reviewing it, and this time the purpose is to do a little more technical stuff. So we're trying to look at title tag, Air Force HVAC operation. Sometimes you would put that and then put the location you serve, the title tag, because you're trying to get Google to help you, be found for relevant locations that you serve. Let's see. Another thing we can check is the tag. So check the H1 tag. Okay, I'll do this so it's easier to find. Okay, so this is crazy. So if you notice here, there are, so it says 104. There are 4 H1 tags. So there's one. There's a second one. Third is that one at the bottom, I'm guessing. And there's a fourth one. So anyway, you can see all those that are highlighted. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's really bad. Why? There should only be one H1 on the page, because an H1 is the most significant HTML tag, and it would be, in terms of hierarchy, it should be above, it should be the first one. And when Google checks, it's going to, when it scrolls the website, it's going to say what is within the H1 tags is what the page is about. So it's going to say the title, right, and the H1 are what the page is overall, the overall page is about. That's what the content on the page is about. So this is already wrong, even from a point of view of not thinking about Google, but just actually writing HTML. You don't put this many H1 tags. You put one on a page, and then you would go down in hierarchy, put an H2 or multiple H2s is also okay, but there should only be one H1. So that's already telltale sign that whoever was putting the site together was not knowledgeable about these things. You might also look at, okay, so there's some keywords there. Some will say this is not, as relevant. No, but okay, so they put some. I don't see any related to location. Okay, there we go. Pasadena. All right, let's see if there are any other meta tags, robot tags. Okay, do we have a description? Description. Yes, we don't. Okay, here we go. Air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance. All right. Yeah. Let's go back. One of the other things we see is we don't have interlinking tags. Like which would highlight things like diagnose and repair or HVAC service technicians, things related to keywords. So the only links we have are things like contact, contact us, learn more. So that means it's not optimized because there's no linking to pages because we don't even have the service pages to link to increase their authority, right? So that tells you that there's no search engine optimization on this site. I mean, we could already see that, but those are things we'd look at to see, So we look at the HTML, look at a bit of it, and then we see we don't have that. And we don't necessarily also have keywords that are related to the cities they serve. They're not in there because you'd expect to see keywords related to the service areas and the service. So anyway, this is probably the last one I'll do, just to show you some of the things that are supposed to be done behind the scenes in the code.